Hello and welcome to another update video about oil. Yeah, very bullish at the moment. Oil, you have a lot of, we had a bit of a rally recently. Yeah, we did have at the time here one of our support areas. I do take them off the chart when we don't need them anymore, but it's good to see that one worked nicely as a trend reversal area, and most importantly, our long-term one here. Yes, it is large, but it's a long-term one that is on the chart, that has been on the chart for more than 1.5 years, and it is very meaningful. This was a meaningful one on the bigger, looking at the bigger picture. So a really good long-term, you could say even accumulation zone so far. But yeah, at the moment, from my point of view, the overall, let's call it risk, yeah, that another bear market low is gonna happen. It's not over. Yeah, this is still there, but if we in the following pullback can hold a higher low, and I will determine a support area for that pullback zone, yeah, for that retracement. If we can hold a higher low in a predefined support area, which will also be a target area on the way down, then we have here a first 5-wave move up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave 1. And then we are looking forward to an ABC pullback in a wave 2. Once I have a top in place, I will calculate a support area for the wave 2. And if we hold it, this could be the absolute opportunity of a third wave rally. Yeah, this will be significant. This is what most people will wait for or have been waiting for. Okay, this here is nothing compared to that. Yeah, this is going to be a third wave rally. Now, what I assume is going to happen, I mean, we're getting towards the end of a 5-wave move. We know that as per Elliott wave, trends move in 5 waves. So it's possibly here the beginning of a 5-wave move up, as I said. And if this is the case, then after these 5 waves that have developed since May, yeah, after these 5 waves, we should get a pullback. Now, everything, you know, a lot of bullish news. I'm reading them everywhere now, and when they turn up on, you know, the general mainstream news pages, news websites, then it's typically time to go short. Now, I'm not telling you to go short right now, but I think what's going to happen in maybe the next few weeks or so is a decent pullback. When everybody's getting bullish about oil, then it's starting to go down. And this doesn't mean we go down and make new lows necessarily. No, I'm going to give you a support area then possibly in the next video for this pullback zone. And we are going to see if the price can, when it comes down, if it comes down in a correction, we'll find support here. And then this is really the decent third wave rally that most people want to trade or be in. Yeah, that's interesting. So we have 5 waves up now. We have reached the next target range here. We had it defined between $90.30 and $91 roughly. And the next level, and we could get there, yeah, I wouldn't rule it out that we get there. In fact, at the moment, I have no indication that a top is in place. So wouldn't be surprised if we get to $93.80. That's also one of the levels that we highlighted in the previous videos. And that's the November high. Okay, so I would pay attention to that level and maybe a reaction there. So where we can find reactions and more possibly a rejection and a move to the downside to start, this is here, the current price move, the current price range, and up there. So yeah, this is I wouldn't say I wouldn't say that I will be surprised if we break above 93.80, but ideally I'd like to see the price come down before breaking. Okay, if it breaks, then the next resistance level will be $97.50. I mean, maybe it's going all crazy and going completely, it's going to go all completely overheated and goes directly to 100, which of course is possible as long as we have no indication that the top is in place, okay? Typically what you can use in these instances, you can use the 50% retracement between the last low and, well, the current price. And as long as that's holding, the trend can continue, right? And that's at $84.50. Okay, so that's WTI actually. Started the wrong way around this time. And then I also have UK oil. It's of course, it's the same wave count, just the levels are a bit different. So whatever I told you just now is valid here for Brent crude oil as well. Here, similar story. Yeah, we also have basically, you could say we've got 5 waves up. I'm not sure if we get this, another 4 and 5. I think this is a 5-wave move, so we might get into a more decent pullback afterwards. But I will look at that for the next video. But anyway, at the moment, again, all the comments valid here as well. I think here on this chart, we are going to see the $100 level. It wouldn't surprise me. It is the November high as well, but here it's $100. And yeah, a break above it would most likely send it directly to 105. But similar story. I mean, everybody bullish now, so it could very well be that we get a decent retracement, a decent correction. But at the moment, there is no evidence for it. Okay, there is no evidence. So at the moment, it would take a break below $88 to indicate that a top of some sort is in place at the moment. Yeah. And if we have that signal, then I will put a support area onto the chart again, probably for the next video. But yeah, it's absolutely possible that we are now going bullish here and follow the pathway higher. But it will literally depend on the test of that pullback area, the test of that support area, because we have 5 waves up now, which is all good, But if the price breaks below it, then it might really be that we get one more bear market low. So this is going to be the stress test. It's going to be the stress test. But yeah, it starts to go the right way here. Yeah, we seem to be going higher. And you need to understand that now we are reaching all these targets here, and we've reached the resistance area at basically we're close to the $100 area now. And that is going to be a massive psychological level as well. So yeah, again, $88 need to be watched. That's the support for trend continuation higher. If that level breaks, then first of all, I would pay attention to $81.80, but I can't really give you a Fibonacci support area yet because we haven't got the top in place, but it shouldn't be far away. I mean, just look at the indicators, pretty much overbought now. Now, overbought isn't necessarily something where we say, okay, it has to turn around. But it's also when we can start to expect some setbacks, yeah? Maybe a pullback and then maybe another rally and it forms a lower high and it will then form a, basically a bearish divergence and then we get the first larger pullback. That's how the game works. But yeah, I think resistances are clear. Next target would be the $100 level. And because everybody's bullish out there at the moment, I think at some point we can expect here a setback. But the trend is still up. The trend is still up against $88 for now. So yeah, that's my update about oil. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.